Hey guys, Jeff from the Brantford Realty Group here. Welcome back to another episode of Investing in Brantford. Now I am here at 25 Princess Street here in the Terrence Hill area, and there is a duplex behind me. It is a 2-unit, 2-bedroom duplex. It is listed at $599,900. It just came out to the market not too long ago. It is ready to go. There are tons of great investment opportunities here in Brantford. So if you want to get in to see it, let me know. I'd be happy to set up a time to show you this property along with any other multi-residential properties in the neighborhood that you might be interested in. Also, if you'd just like for me to send you the information and the listing for this, just let me know and I will forward it right off to you so you have all the information to get you started. So let's take a look, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below.